YouTube, we are back with another video. Today we're going to be going over XRP. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. As you guys can see here, I'm just going to go over a little bit of an intro of what it is that we're looking for here. You can see these EMAs, right? Look at the last time they kind of all coiled together and had a little bit of a move to the upside or to the downside. And most recently, as you can see here, when they all got kind of close together, this is 200, 155, and 26, they had a move to the downside, right? And so now look at this. We came down, you had the bullish cross of doom. Then here you had this bearish cross of doom right here. Then you had the bullish cross of doom right here. Bullish cross of greatness right here. And well, if you're an XRP fanboy, if you're an XRP hater, then this is good for you. This is if you're an XRP lover, then this is good for you. But we did have that, and then we got rejected by the value area high. So we're going to be going over some of the areas that we'd be looking at if once this breakout does happen. And we'll go over those areas in just one second. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. So when it comes to XRP, the one thing that we can really take into consideration here is the fact that, again, we're just kind of going sideways. And so if we are going to turn these off, let's grab ourselves the fixed range tool, bring it like this. You'll see here that we are, boom, smack dab right in the middle at the point of control, which means that from here we could go either way, up or down. As you can see, when we are down below it, price wants to come back up to it, and then it usually gets some rejections. And then here it came all the way back down, came back up, got rejected by this high volume node here, came back to the point of control, back up, back to the point of control, acted as a support. So when you're below the point of control, you can think of it as a resistance. When you're above it, you can think of it as a support. We came up, broke down below it, and then you have this thing where it's like, who knows what it's going to do. So then you come back, and so all we've been doing is just dancing around this point of control for a pretty long while now, since August. And so one of the other differences here, though, is, like I said, you can even see here when you had this coiling up of the EMA bands, you had an explosion to the upside. So I'm thinking here it's possible, since Bitcoin is looking like it wants to go and take the all-time highs, and we are way, way, way on a bullish cross right here. Maybe it's possible that XRP will follow along with what Bitcoin is doing. And if Bitcoin has an explosion to the upside, we should have an explosion to the upside. But we have to be prepared because we are trading the charts, not what we think. So if we're looking at a long opportunity, a good swing failure long opportunity, then we would expect the price to possibly come down like this, and swing failure these lows right here, get a support resistance flip right here with this area, bounce from here, and then start to head back up, right? So that's option number one. Option number two would be for us to have that move to the upside, come all the way up, swing failure these highs for us to come all the way back down. So it is possible whichever one you believe in, you could long or short right now over on Bybit. Again, it doesn't matter what the price does, because over on Bybit, whether the price of XRP goes up or down, we can still accumulate more. It doesn't even matter. So more XRP. So that's the beauty of Bybit. But yeah, so those are the two areas that we're looking at, and I'll just put this right here so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. So these are the two areas that I would be looking at if we did have a move to the upside or to the downside in the immediate short term. All right, guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Go down below, sign up to Bybit, have some fun with that, and I'll catch you guys next video.